Hi guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang. Today you're watching another episode of Munching Mondays, which is my mukbang series. Mukbang is an eating show, so we're gonna eat together and we're gonna chat. So if that is your thing, then don't forget to subscribe. So today, my friends, I decided to eat a bunch of random things that I found in my kitchen and in my freezer because I need to get rid of some things because I will be moving soon, which we will talk about in just a second. Okay, I'm sorry if it's very random. First of all, I have a juice box. Okay. My friend gave me a bunch of juice boxes because she had a bunch left that she wanted to get rid of. So I have this like fruit medley juice box. I have, of course, noodles. I'm sorry, I know it's kind of repetitive. I think I ate these spicy noodles like a few mukbangs ago, but I still have some left. Okay, I'm trying to get rid of it. Okay, and they're delicious. Hopefully I don't die from the spice. Okay, but these are the samyang fire noodles. Okay. And then I also have a veggie dog with a bun. I got some onion in there, some ketchup, some mustard, yum. I have some pickled radish to eat with my noodles. This is tanmuji. For those of you that are wondering, I do buy this at the Korean store. And then I have some, God, I did not do my hair for this. Anyway, and then I have some Gardein. What are these, like sweet and sour? I can't remember what. Let me find the packaging. I will let you guys know. I'll put it on here, okay? I mean, that looks good. It's like nuggets in like a delicious sweet sauce. Let's dig in first and then we can chat. So I'm of course gonna start with, some delicious noodles. Guys, I had a bunch of other stuff in the freezer that I was like, oh, maybe I should eat this, maybe I should eat this. But I was like, okay, let's calm down. Let's not overeat too much. First bite of the spicy noodles. Oh, why are they so good but so spicy? All right, hot dog time. This is a veggie dog. Look at that. You guys, delicious. How are we doing? Guys, I'm sorry. I think I missed last week's mukbang. Ooh, they make these out of paper now. Yay. Oh my God, this reminds me of my childhood, just having like a juice box. Anyway, guys, life has been a bit crazy. Okay, it's been a bit crazy. Basically, the big update, okay, is that I'm moving again. To be fair, I haven't moved in 2 years, so that's like a record for me. I move often, okay? But this time it's gonna be for good because I actually bought a place. I know, I did. And now I'm a slave to the bank. That's what I call myself. Okay, I'm gonna try this Gardein thing. I think I've tried this before. God, Gardein is so good. Their products are actually really decent, you know? Oh, let's see if we can get a nice big bite here. I'm really not good with chopsticks for someone that is Asian. It's embarrassing, actually. Here we are. So we have the little Gardein piece and then the noodles. So yeah, basically, long story short, actually no, I'll just tell you the story. So basically, our lease was coming up, okay? So our lease ends end of September. So me and Angela, my roommate, we actually received like the lease renewal sheet. I think it was like in like June or something, like really early on, and we're like, oh my God, this is so much pressure. we don't know what we're gonna do yet. So then we kind of thought about it. There was, you know, some talk of, you know, potentially renewing the lease, and we're like, okay, we could renew it. You know, I like this place, I like this apartment, I don't want to move. So we did talk about renewing the lease. But then I can't remember exactly what like led me to the decision that I wanted to buy a place this time. I think it was like a number of different factors. I felt like I had like no physical assets, you know. I was like, okay, whatever I have is like in a bank, you know. And I always think it's like so spooky, like my money's just sitting in some like digital space and I don't know, you know, like it's not real. Like, are we even real? Like, are we living in some sort of simulation? Like, I don't know. Anyways, I was like, okay, I need like a physical asset. That's part of the reason. And another thing was that I was like, okay, I've never actually lived alone before. Let me take a bite. Like I've never lived alone, right? Oh, it's nice and sticky. Ooh. So I've never lived alone. So I was like, okay, I kind of want to experience living alone. You know, I've always had a roommate or lived with family. I've never lived like by myself. And I think I'm at the stage of my life where I'm like, okay, I think I could appreciate living alone. Oh my god, you guys, I just realized that like I think the last mukbang I did was with spicy noodles. I do apologize, okay? I didn't mean to be, you know, boring and repeat myself, but you know, I had these to eat and what do you want me to do? Okay? So I decided it was a good idea to go our separate ways. As sad as it is, we've lived together actually now. Me and Angela, we lived together for, I think a total of 3 years by the end of the lease. So yeah, and we, you know, we don't have issues, you know, we good, you know what I'm saying? So don't start any rumors, okay? We're doing fine. But we just decided it is time to part our ways, you know? This veggie dog, by the way, is from The Very Good Butchers, which is a Canadian company. And I actually work with them for an Instagram campaign. Whew. Whew. It's starting to hit me, guys. The spice. But it's not as bad as before, I think. Maybe I'm building my spice tolerance. So I don't know why I've never lived alone before. Well, I think the main reason is like finances. Second, you know, I like having a roommate. I think it's nice, especially if the roommate is a friend, right? So if we get along, you know, I like having a roommate. It's nice to have somebody else in the house, you know, to share something with. But this time around, another reason why I wanted to live alone is because I realized that I kind of want more space for, you know, my job. I want like an office space so that I can separate my job from my home, okay? So I wanted to get my own space so I can, you know, get like a 2-bedroom and then use the 2nd bedroom as an office. Because right now I'm like filming this in my bedroom, you know what I'm saying? My work desk is in my bedroom. So there is no separation, okay? Essentially, which is, you know, not ideal. Oh, it's hitting me. So yes, that was what kind of led me to the decision that I wanted to buy a place. Now, I've always been an advocate for renting until you are ready to buy. I don't subscribe to the belief that like buying is always better than renting. I know that we live in this like society where, you know, you're not successful until you buy your own place. I don't agree with that at all. So just want to put that out there. I think that's partially why I didn't want to make a big deal out of the fact that I bought a place. Ooh, spas! Whew. Anyway, so the reason why I didn't want to make a big deal out of it is because I don't want people to think like, oh, this is what it means to be like successful or anything like that. Like it's nothing like that in my opinion. Lots of successful, financially stable people rent, and I think it's just a decision that you have to make based on your current circumstance. Guys, I spoke too soon. The spice is hitting me. So yeah, right now I feel like I was ready to buy. So that's why I bought this time. So I bought a condo. So hopefully I can have some separation between work and my actual sleeping space. And I'm planning on building like a, not building, but making an office out of the 2nd bedroom. Oh man, the delicious pain. Think I want to finish. Grabbed another juice. I'm dying. This is grape juice. I haven't had a grape juice in... When's the last time I had a grape juice? Whew, I can't think. Yeah. I mean, when's the last time you guys had a grape juice? So anyways, long story short, I'm moving. By the time this comes out, I may have already moved. So that's exciting. I'm not looking forward to the, oh God. I'm not looking forward to the process of actually moving. I'm just looking forward to when it's all done. Okay, I can't seem to do this. Mm. Mm. Why do I enjoy this pain? This might be the last mukbang that I film in this location. Oh my gosh. So I hope you enjoyed it. And the next one is probably gonna be in my new place. Yay, very exciting. I am sad. It is the end of an era for my roommate and I. So we are a bit sad about it, but we're still gonna remain friends. Obviously, we were friends before we were roommates, so we'll be good, okay? We'll probably do another mukbang together soon. I know you guys love her, so. And you guys, it's very hard to talk when your mouth is burning. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!